Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel where we usually post the expectation of Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week, 1 week ahead of the schedule. We are doing this for last 2 months, and out of this 8 to 9 weeks, only during 1 or 2 weeks we have failed in our analysis. On all of the remaining weeks, we are on dot with our target. If you are a newcomer to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned so that you will not miss our videos in future. Now we will directly move into the expectation for next week. As usual, I have taken the Nifty daily chart and added 20 moving average into it. As of now, the 20 moving average is at 16,378, which is almost 400 points below the current price. To be honest, we are having a one-way rally from 15,965 till 16,720 odd levels, which is almost 750 points plus. So if there is a correction towards this 20 moving average, it will be very healthy for the bulls. I don't know whether it will happen next week or in upcoming weeks, but it will definitely happen because it will not go like this for a very long time. Already we are 1 month completed in a one-sided direction. So probably there will be one test of 20 moving average in coming days, and that too I'm not sure exactly at this point whether it will happen next week or during the month of September. It may happen anytime, but if that comes, we should be in a position to take longs and hold it for the further rally. Any bull market will always take support at 20 moving average and then climb higher. Even if you see in the past instances, you could have seen, you might have been seeing here, every time it comes to the 20 moving average, it takes support and climbing. This is how market functions. So for levels for next week, we might have already seen this closing of Singapore Nifty yesterday. It is almost 95 points plus from the previous close. Even though if it is showing 95 points, it is a traded value of Nifty futures. If you compare the value with the Nifty futures close of our market, it is nearly 110 points, not 95 points. So we can expect a strong gap up opening on Monday in our markets. However, post opening, what can we expect? Those levels will be posted on daily basis in our channel. We will have a overview of markets for next week alone over here. Okay, so I have converted this Nifty hourly chart into daily chart into hourly charts and drawn a Fibonacci retracement kind of stuff by marking the highs and lows of the last week. Over here, out of the 5 days, we have made higher highs for 4 days, which means the market is still strong. The expected correction of 20 moving average might not happen in the next week because it is very tough as the markets are very strong. So if you go into the hourly time frame and see the 20 moving average, it is coming somewhere near 1662. I don't know how many of you are aware during our analysis last 2 weeks back. I have very clearly mentioned that Nifty seriously respects fancy numbers and it takes support or resistance at that fancy numbers. 16666 was the number which we have predicted when Nifty was at 16,100, 16,200 levels. Many laughed at it, but it seriously respected our levels. So if you calculate 100 points from our previous close, we can expect the opening somewhere near this 127.2% of the Fibonacci level, and then we are expected to hover here for some time, wherein in the meantime the 20 moving average on daily basis will be climbing higher, and thereafter we could test the 20 moving average once and then climb again higher. The level which I am expecting as resistance for Nifty for next week is 16,843. If this particular level is crossed, we can easily see 17,000 within next week itself, as long as this support level which I have marked is holding, which means 16,496. I have taken Tuesday's low into consideration because Tuesday's low in bull markets plays a vital role. It will be a trendsetter kind of stuff. If you ask any analyst in markets, they will pay more attention for the Tuesday's low. If it is broken and closed decisively, we will be seeing markets drifting lower. On the other hand, if that particular low is holding, markets will find very hard to fall. Okay, this is about Nifty. And coming into Bank Nifty, this is seriously killing everybody's patience, everyone's patience. During last month, we have said that it is in a range for 2.5 months. It is 3.5 months now. We are still in that range. So any side breakout will definitely show you minimum 1500 point rally in Bank Nifty and maximum 2500 point in Bank Nifty within 2 weeks time from the time of breakout. The breakout level which I am expecting right now is a close above 36. One moment. A close above 36,512. If we close above this particular level, there are very bright chances that we will see a solid 1500 point rally in just 2 weeks time. During last month itself, last month in the sense last series, August series, we have advised to take 37,000 call at somewhere near 120 to 140. It delivered only 60 to 80 points, and then it drifted lower, and then we ended up with zero. This month also I am suggesting you to take a 37,000 call, which is currently priced somewhere around 280 rupees. I am saying about monthly call, don't go for the weekly call. Okay, you can take this somewhere in between 180 to 220, anywhere in between this particular range. Just try to hold it with patience till the month end, because the markets cannot be range bound for this many long time. It is already 3.5 months past. 3.5 months in the sense, if you calculate in number of days, even if you calculate 20 days per month, it is almost 75 days we are inside a single range. If Nifty is going higher, Bank Nifty is also supposed to go higher, but there are some challenges in finding that move. Any decisive close above 36,512, you will see a rock solid 1500 point rally minimum, and a maximum it can extend up to 2500 point rally in 2 weeks time. That is what I am saying. And remember one more point, this month is we have a 5-week series in September. 5-week series is always a tricky one, because we will see massive moves on any side of the markets. I am expecting that it will happen on the higher side in Bank Nifty. Why? Because it has been in a consolidation phase for very long time. 75 days within 2000 point range for Bank Nifty is too long, very, very long. Okay, so I'm expecting this consolidation to break out on the higher side, and then it will climb higher. Barring this, if you see the open interest chart of Nifty also, we are seeing heavy call writing happening in 16,700 strike, and put writing happening in 16,600 side, which means 16,600 will be the very strong support and 16,700 might be the resistance. But on Monday itself we will be taking that with a very strong gap up opening. If we are sustaining above that 16,700 750 mark for 15 or 20 minutes, those shorts will be forced to cover and upside rally will happen in markets. I haven't seen the open interest table for Bank Nifty because it will change quite often and we cannot rely on it. Let us see how market functions during next week. And moreover, yesterday's in the sense Friday's close of ADRs, ICICI Bank ADR, HDFC Bank ADR, both and Axis Bank ADR all closed in green. So there are good chances that Bank Nifty will have a good rally on Monday or Tuesday. Let us see. Again during next week with analysis. Once again, I remind you, if you are a newcomer, subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. In each and every video of our channel, you can learn something which will be benefited for you in a long run. In the description section of this particular video, I will also post our Telegram channel's link. You can also be part of our Telegram channel where our daily views and daily calls will be shared on regular basis. Thank you all. We'll see you again next week.